Say feeding Nana breakfast on July 26th, 2020.
But the T-top will be able to push the insulation in front of us, try to maximizes our productivity. So when you push this behind us, you guys are grabbing it, just move it closer to the garbage.
I think she'd rather eat her fingers, huh?
So we can take it out when we get there.
Just put it up there.
And what we also do on this right here.
There you go. Good job.
So you're not getting the infiltration from the outside onto this mud sill. And so
Isn't that good, Mama?
a little bit later.
Yep, I guess.
Crawling around under this house, slapping goo everywhere. Goes way beyond dirty. To help get turkeys and amorous mood, they all need a
Wake up.
Well, yeah. Swallow that food. Don't want to choke on it.
New Tide Power Pods, one up the cleaning power of liquid.
Can it one up whatever they're doing?
For sure.
Seriously?
One up the power of liquid, one up the toughest stains. Any further questions? One up the power of liquid with New Tide Power Pods.
Imagine get where you want to eat.
Okay, almost done feeding Mom.
Come on, wake up.
Advanced Please through contact all month long.
I mean.
Mmm.